Hello, I'm Tim Coulson. I'm Chief Executive of Unity Schools Partnership, the trust that's responsible for schools across Suffolk, including schools in Bury St Edmunds. And I want to explain the proposals we're making about 4 schools in Bury St Edmunds. You're on a website to be able to see this video, and you'll see more details about the proposals on the website, and in particular how you can respond to what you think about these proposals. And I hope very much you will take up the opportunity to say what you think. We are proposing some very significant changes to 4 schools and the way they admit children in future. We've had a system where many people in Suffolk and across Bury St Edmunds have enjoyed education in what people have described as a 3-tier system. First schools, middle schools and upper schools. And about 15 years ago across Suffolk that began to be changed to a primary and secondary system, except for a small group of schools here in Bury St Edmunds. And we in Unity Schools Partnership have been proud to be associated with these schools. However, the numbers of families choosing these schools has begun to diminish. And we believe it's reached a stage when we need to make proposals about amending the way these schools are and moving over the course of the next couple of years to a primary and secondary system and harmonising admissions at age 11 across the town as across Suffolk. These will be changes that some people will welcome. There'll be changes that others will find hugely disappointing. We want to welcome all of your views. On the website there are details of meetings you can come to, which we would really welcome you to. Please put in your thoughts by the 17th of February, at which time the Trust Board will look at the responses about those proposals and decide whether or not to go to the Department for Education to seek approval for those proposals. And we'll do our very best to keep everyone updated with the progress of those discussions. Thank you again for considering these proposals, and I do hope you'll take the opportunity to respond to them. Thank you very much.